Oh, no, no, tell your brother. He will give you, don't worry. Okay, but you go and take from your brother. Okay. Yeah. This side, Salar.
Comment if you know the name of our place, but I don't know the name. Comment. And then you just and cameraman, are you waiting or not? Are you recording? And I don't know, but my sister is recording too. Hurry up, you naughty sister. Sister, you're a little too naughty, but don't blame. No, don't leave it, leave. And sister, and don't do stupid. And don't you talk in stupid things. Okay? Shut your ass up. Shut your fucking. Yeah. That's our Just go on the other side back. Cameraman.
No, this side, Go.
This side is not better. No. I want to go on the other side. Cameraman. Hello, buddy. I'm coming. And where Eddie and not Sister Rocky Duppet go? And Shark left below. And where my brother is so naughty. And he is not good up here shutting. Fuck this, yes. Not naughty, yes. And she have no catering. I'm joking. I want to go in the forest and fucking know that I'm going to go in. I want to go in the forest and la. And I have a plan to walk in the night. Fire person.
Oh.
I want to go like a baya.
Mm-hmm.
We want to go like a baya. That is our courtesy. And we are chocolate fucking. No, that is our courtesy. But leave it.
Come this side.
Now we are going on the farm.
Oh.
On the farm. Loot.
Wait.
You kill us.
Oh,
The farm. Loot will kill us. And I hope I don't fall. Papi, papa. That's enough. Look at the water. Show them the water. I will show them this. Comment if you know. These are some beautiful water. I really want to swim in them. No! But these are dirty, so I can't swim. I will blow it.
Sit here now.
Hello, buddy. This is enough for today, and I make more tomorrow. And bye. We were shocking and fuck really. My sister will talk for a little bit, okay? When a little bus. Wait. It's another time. Shut it off. He speak a push to daddy.
Who?